What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a quick video on pressing an order, a 4-shirt order I got on my new Heat Press Nation Signature Series 15x15 heat press. I only did my unboxing video on it, so I wanted to do me actually doing, you know, legit orders on it. I got my transfers through Flash Custom Transfers because I needed full color. They were awesome. I had a problem with the design and I sent them what I wanted. They went through, redid the design for me. This is their 22 by 24 sheet, I believe it is. So I got 4 front hits, and then I just filled the sheet at the bottom there with a bunch of little just you know, left chest pieces if I want them or not. But right now I'm just using these big ones today. And like I said, I asked them if their graphic designer could do something for me. They did awesome. They were, you know, back and forth with me for like a day or two, and ended up coming out with the design perfect that I made up. And then she went through and fixed everything that I needed to fix, because there was one part with the skull that I didn't want to get copyright on. So if you order through them, they do have a graphic designer too. I never knew that until actually this time. So turnaround was quick. I think it got here in like 4 days. And I didn't order a big order for these shirts that I needed, which shout out to them. I'm glad everything's going good to Flash Custom Transfers with their stuff. And like I said in an earlier video, I don't always use Alpha Broder. This order I only needed 4 shirts, so I went through Jiffy Shirts. It was quicker. They came here 2 days, so I go through Jiffy Shirts and I go through Alpha Broder. If I gotta get a big order, I go through Alpha Broder. When I gotta get just little stuff, little 1s and 2s and stuff like that, I'll go through Jiffy Shirts. So I'm gonna get the heat press on and get right into this order. All right, guys. So I'm cutting these transfers up. I'm just being real careful because they put a lot on a sheet for me. So I just want to make sure that I'm not cutting into my transfer. Like I said, they were awesome. They were in contact with me literally the whole entire time. I go with all different transfer companies. Depending on what order I'm doing, it depends on basically what transfer company I'm gonna go with. And for this order, I wanted to go with the Flash Custom Transfers because this order was basically a lot more color, a lot more design in it than your normal. I needed a quick turnaround, which they have that. And they're in Texas, I believe, and I'm in PA, and it got here about 4 days. And every time I've worked with them so far, they're very nice to work with. Very quick, right to the point. There's a lot of other companies out there that they'll leave you hanging for days at a time without answering your questions or anything. They answer me every time I have a question. It's within a couple hours, they're getting back to me. And like, I got this whole gang sheet. I got my 4 hits for my 4 shirts, and then I got all these. Just for now, if he ever wants anything, this customer, then I can offer him, hey, I got left chest logos, you know, and stuff like that. And like they did my design for me. I sent them what I was trying to get. They looked at it, set me up a bunch of different things, and I had no problems with them at all. All right. I'm gonna leave these ones all together on here. I have my pressure settings all set for this. On their sheet, they want, let's see here. believe it says medium pressure. And to use a Teflon sheet. And then these are cold peels. And you gotta hit them one more time. So I'll set this up. Let's see. Still getting used to this press myself. Okay, we're right where we need to be at. Set it. They're cold peels, so I'm just gonna lay them off to the side, peel them, and then re-hit them again. And the next one. These are a little bit bigger shirts too. I got 2X, 3X. Press. I'm gonna put my pressure up a little bit heavier for these. All right. Transfer. Like I say, get yourself one of these t-shirt guides. You can get them on Amazon. These things are awesome for lining stuff up like this. Probably one of the best investments I ever made in these things. This t-shirt guide. Because when you have a complex design like this where there's just stuff all over the place, it can get frustrating. Because there's so many different points. I only got a couple of these, so like I could take the time on these to actually, you know, get them where I want them to be. Versus when I'm doing a bigger run where you don't really have all the time like that to be messing around. But little orders like this, yeah, I'll put in a little bit more time on it. Just for myself. All right. Right where we need to be. Yeah, this press is pretty much dead on. And it's, like I said, it's 310 for 12 seconds. And then it's the cold peel. Keep forgetting I got this slide out drawer here. Alright. Bring this other one back so I can hit this again. This one cooled off. Actually, real nice. Let's say 6 seconds. There you go. Hold it up there. Really nice colors. Throw that one off to the side here. Like I said, Flash Custom Transfers, I will leave them in the description also. And I have never had any problems with their company. Like I said, very quick turnaround. They, a while back, they gave me a shout out, which I appreciate that because that helped me out a lot. But these transfers for full color, you can't beat the price, because what I'm making on these shirts is just, it's a no-brainer with these transfers. For it's 20 bucks for their I believe it's 22 by 24. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, the gang sheet. And like I said, I got 4 shirts out of it, 4 front hits, and then I got a bunch of, even if I want to do left chest prints and back hits with these, I could have did that. But you can't beat the price on that, because then when I'm turning around and making on a shirt for a full color, you know, and everybody's like, they have their opinion of what they like and what they don't like, and I had no problems with these transfers. I'm wearing them, I got them on my hoodie right now, which I didn't even realize that today. But I have no problems with these transfers. Looks like there's a little bit of ink on here. Let me cut this off just in case. Yeah, I will leave everything in the description, please. For everything I'm using. This t-shirt guide, I believe it was only like 10 bucks. I know it wasn't a lot. But this thing helps me out like crazy. Up on that. Perfect. Temperatures on point with the heat press every time. Every single time. Alright guys, I'll speed this up in the video and then I'll show you the finished product when I'm done with it. So that way you guys don't have to sit through all this. Alright guys, so there's one of the finished shirts. A 4-piece order I had using Flash Custom Transfers. I'm going to leave the links for everything in the description. This is a quick video I just wanted to do using my Heat Press Nation Signature Series 15x15. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, plus some other content. Like I said, subscribe to get a part of the giveaway. I'm going to be doing it at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. I believe I'm at like 821 right now. So once I get to 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. But that was just a quick video. Flash Custom Transfers. Heat Press Nation Signature Series 15 by 15. Right there, make yourself a couple bucks from home. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.